Welcome back to Englishvish. This is a calm space for English learners who want to speak with more confidence and more joy. I'm really happy you are here today. Truly. Because in this video, I will help you speak English more naturally, slowly, step by step, day by day. I will speak slowly and clearly, so you can follow me easily. No pressure. No stress. This is your safe space to grow. Let's begin. Today, we will talk about something very simple, but also very powerful. We will learn how to practice English every single day. Even if your life is busy. Even if you feel shy. Even if you do not live in an English-speaking country. Many people think they must move to the UK or America to speak English well. But that is not true. You do not need to live in London. You do not need a native speaker next to you. You do not need to study for many hours. What you really need are small and smart steps. Steps that are easy to repeat. Steps that fit into your daily life. Steps that help you feel calm and confident every day. Now, let me ask you something. Have you heard this word before? Shadowing? Maybe yes. Maybe no. Don't worry. I will explain it very simply. Shadowing is one of the best ways to improve speaking and listening together. It is simple, but very powerful. Here is how it works. You listen to someone speaking English, like me right now, and you repeat at the same time. You do not stop. You do not translate. You do not check the dictionary. You just copy the sound. Like an echo. Same speed. Same tone. Same rhythm. That's it. That is shadowing. Let's try together. I will say a sentence. You repeat after me. I want to speak English fluently. Good. I listen to English every day. Nice job. Shadowing helps me speak better. Perfect. You are already doing it. At first, it may feel strange. You may not understand every word. That is okay. Shadowing is not about understanding everything. It is about training your brain and your mouth to work together. If you do this for just 5 minutes a day, you will start speaking faster, clearer, and more naturally. Small habit. Big results. Now let's talk about how to practice English every day. Many learners tell me, I want to learn English, but I don't have time. I feel shy. I don't know where to start. And I always say this gently. You don't need more time. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need the perfect moment. You just need to begin. Here are 5 simple ways to practice English every day. Tip 1. Listen to English every day. If you want to speak better, you must listen more. Not once a week. Every day. You can listen to podcasts, English music, YouTube videos, short stories, or easy English news. Listen while you walk, while you clean, while you cook. Even 10 minutes is enough. You don't need to understand everything. Even 30% is progress. Make English your background music. Tip 2. Shadow what you hear. Now it is time to use your voice. After listening, repeat what you hear. Copy the sound. Copy the rhythm. Let's try again. I want to get better at English. Your turn. I don't understand everything. But I keep going. Again. I'm improving little by little. Great job, Blueheart. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice. Tip 3. Think in English. This is very powerful. Start thinking in English. One small thought at a time. When you wake up. It's morning. I need coffee. When you go outside. The sky is blue. At work. I'm tired. I need a break. Simple thoughts. No translation. Later, say them softly. Even whisper. It's like talking kindly to yourself. Tip 4. Read aloud. Reading silently is good. Reading aloud is better. Choose short and easy text. Read slowly. Then read again. Add feeling like an actor. This trains your mouth and builds confidence. Tip 5. Use English in daily life. This is very important. Don't just study English. Live with English. Change your phone language to English. Write a short diary. Just 3 sentences. Record a 1-minute voice note about your day. Join an online English group. Read. Write. Send small messages. Watch short English videos. Repeat one line. Even 20 seconds helps. Final thoughts. Using English every day is not hard. You don't need long hours. You don't need stress. Just small daily actions. Say good morning in English. Write your list in English. Watch 5 minutes in English. Small steps bring big change. When English becomes part of your life, it stops feeling like homework and starts feeling like freedom. Backhand index pointing right if this video helped you. Please like it. Comment one habit you will try today. And subscribe to Englishvish for daily English speaking practice. We grow together here. Small daily practice is enough. Learning takes time. And you are doing very well.